Good afternoon, all. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, in morning lecture, today we were discussing the basic relationship between pixels, and we saw that we have to discuss about the neighborhood of a pixel. We have to talk about adjacency of the pixel, connectivity, and paths, and additionally, we have to discuss regions and boundaries. So we discussed with these three kind of neighborhood in the today morning. Suppose the pixel is this, that the neighbors which are standing on the left, right, tap or top and bottom on the immediate next to the pixel under consideration are called as four neighbors. The neighbors, suppose this is a pixel, then neighbors which are situated exactly at the 45 degree, positive 45 degree and negative 45 degree immediately at the corners of the pixel under consideration, those neighbors are called as D neighbors, that is diagonal neighbors, and the collection of four neighbors and diagonal neighbors, the total eight neighbors which we have surrounding one pixel, those total eight neighbors are called as eight neighbors. Then we started with the adjacency. We started with the four adjacency, where I showed you that the pixel P and pixel Q with the values from some given set V are said to be four adjacent if the pixel P is in the set of four neighbors of a pixel Q, or pixel Q is in the set of four neighbors of pixel P. So the reverse statement is also true. So basically, I want to see what are the neighbors of pixel P and pixel Q. Suppose I have an image like this. This is a 3 cross 3 image, and suppose pixel P is situated here and pixel Q is situated here. Then uh, suppose pixel P is 1, pixel Q is also 1, and we have given a set V, and the set V contains element, let's say 1. Then pixel P is given as 1, pixel Q is given as 1, and we have to examine the four neighbors, that is this position, this position, this position, and this position for pixel P. And similarly for pixel Q, we have to examine this position, this position, this position, and this position. So which are the common positions? This and this position is common. So at these common positions, I can say that this this position is a neighbor of a pixel P, as well as neighbor, I mean fourth neighbor of a pixel P, as well as that position is fourth neighbor for the pixel Q. So at this position, if any element is common, which is also present in a set V, which is also present in a set V, then I can say that pixel P and pixel Q are four adjacent. So sorry, not four adjacent. This is the wrong example. In this example, suppose pixel P and pixel Q are situated like this. I made a mistake. Suppose this is pixel P and this is pixel Q. Then P is a fourth neighbor of Q. Q is a fourth neighbor of P. This I was explaining about the eighth neighbor. Just forget about this. So here P is a fourth neighbor of Q and Q is a fourth neighbor of P, and both of those elements have value 1, which is present inside set V. This is actually given set V. So if pixel P and pixel Q satisfies the criteria that Q is in the set of fourth neighbor of P, or P is in the set of fourth neighbor of Q, then we can say that those two pixels P and Q are four adjacent. Similarly, we have a definition for eight adjacency. Pixel Q is in the set of eight adjacent pixels of a P. or 8 neighbors of a p, sorry, 8 neighbors of a p. So the example which I was talking about here was the example of 8 adjacency. P was 8 neighbor of q and q was 8 neighbor of p. So hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, audible.
Audible?
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay. What part you were able to hear me clearly? Have you understood 4 adjacency and 8 adjacency? Have you understood 4 adjacency and 8 adjacency?
No, sir, 8 adjacency वरती नाही कळालेलं मला.
Okay. I will repeat from here 8 adjacency. So suppose I will sketch here. Sketch here. Okay, these are 3 cross 3 pixels. So image with 3 cross 3 pixels. Can you see a image that I have sketched a matrix of 3 cross 3? Can you see that? Can you see?
सर आवाज ब्रेक होतो सर.
Let's stop. We'll continue in the next lecture. You can leave it. We won't be able to continue with this poor connectivity.